Hey Alexa, what's on my to-do list today?
Have one item on your to-do list. Unbox the new Me HRX band.
Sure, let's get ready with it. Hello guys, so as you can see, as per the details mentioned on the packaging box, the price is 1799, but you generally get this for 1200 to 1300. It is IP67 water resistant. This is MI band 2i HRX version. This is the black color. You get an MI logo. Let's see what's inside the box. And this is the capsule, I think so. You have to. So this is the main pedometer and device that would be used. Kind of a small one, just like Chotu. This would be Chotu 2 or something. We would rename it later. Let's see what's in the box. So you have a band. There is this kind of a button which is written just meant HRX. HRX is actually Hrithik Roshan, and he is a very good dancer. If you don't know, check YouTube. Let us see how this band is. So pretty nice, not bad. They say it's some kind of blah blah allergic stuff, non-allergic stuff, so it will protect you from in case of any allergies. And you just have to pop this in over here somewhere so that the band gets ready. Let me just show you once. Okay, so this is how the band would look. Since it is not charged, I would have to charge it and get back to you to show how the watch is paired. Over here you get my user guide, quick read how to do it. You can figure it out on your own. And over here there is a charger. So about this charger, remember there is only one of a kind. If you lose this, you have to buy a new piece to get this charger. So I will just charge the device and get back to you. Okay, hello guys, so now we are back. Charge this device up to a small amount. It just tapped and you should see the battery status. It is not currently charged to the fullest, but let's see. So you need to install the MI Fit app. So it asks you to, if you wish to enroll into the program. If you want to enroll into the program, you can click yes. Then you would require an MI or Google account to sign in, and this is the list. It would be blacked out so that you won't be able to see it. Just a sec, it's loading. So now we have to enter all the details, that is the gender, nickname, name of birth, height, weight. So this is how the app looks like. Here is your weight, here is your steps that you will count. So it is searching for the band, is Bluetooth, and when it vibrates, so you have to tap on the band to confirm and it will pair. Paired is successful. Charge your band, it is more than less than 10%. Okay, got it. So you see screen lock, incoming calls, alarm, app alerts, discoverable band location left hand, time format, that is main 20. No, that is bad.